Hello everyone, this is NAI 500 at PDAC 2023. This is the first day and I'm here with Mark from Giga Metals Corporation. Hi Mark, how are you doing
Hi Sharon,
today?
how are you?
Good.
Excellent.
So can you start off by telling us a little bit about Giga Metals?
Well, Giga Metals, we've got a very large nickel deposit in northern British Columbia. I've been working on this project for quite a few years, just advancing it bit by bit. Our latest engineering report, we model a 37-year mine life averaging 33,000 tons a year of nickel in a concentrate that's 18% nickel, 1% cobalt. So it's a giant deposit. It's economically competitive with the giant HPEL projects in Indonesia. And we recently managed to attract a joint venture partner, Mitsubishi Corp, who has been investing directly in the project with us.
So let's dive deeper into the joint venture that you mentioned with Mitsubishi Corporation. What's the significance of this strategic partnership?
Well, Mitsubishi is a very interesting company. They're a giant company. And they're one of their divisions, they're the largest trading company, commodities trading company in Japan. And that division owns pieces of several operating mines around the world. So what they like to do is take a minority interest in a mine and they'll help to get it developed. They don't want to operate, but they like to help get it developed, and then they like to be a partner in the mine. They've got a bank that actually finances mine construction. So it's just a lot of financial depth. Part of the significance is I'm told that they looked at 26 different nickel projects worldwide and settled on our project.
I see. So in terms of your Turnagain project, the pre-feasibility study is expected to be completed in the first half of 2023.
Right.
Are there any long-term planning after that?
Well, once our pre-feas is done, and we're targeting June at this point, now it's time to move to more advanced development. So we would, at some point after we've got our pre-feas done, submit a project description, and that will kick off the environmental assessment process. We will be looking to bring in another partner, and we're talking to a lot of people already to come in and buy another piece of the project to provide the money to take it all the way to shovel ready.
That's very exciting. So Giga Metals claims that Turnagain is the largest potential project in North America targeting battery-grade nickel supply.
Right.
Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Well, of the large undeveloped low-grade nickel projects in North America, they're mostly in Canada. All of the other ones have produced engineering where they model selling to the stainless steel business. And so they're not looking at the battery supply chain. Okay. They may look at the battery supply chain in future, I don't know. If you're going to do that, show me the engineering. But we're staying focused on Class 1 nickel.
I see. So who are your major shareholders?
I'm the largest individual shareholder.
Okay, I see.
With about 5%.
I see. So my last question for you is, why should new investors look into your company?
Well, it's quite interesting. If you look at leverage, if you believe that electric vehicles are going to continue to be sold, then you believe that they're going to need more and more nickel as time goes on. And that all of the undeveloped, the large deposits, including ours, are going to have to be developed to provide that supply for the lithium-ion batteries. So, and if you look at our economics associated with our engineering studies, at low nickel prices, the economics aren't very good. As you move the nickel prices up to where they are currently, the economics start to look really good. And so you move, from almost zero at say $7 a pound nickel, at $10, $11 a pound, you've got a couple of billion US dollars of depreciated net present value. And so that range is really exciting. And our market cap is less than 30 million Canadian dollars. So you've got this this leverage to the price of nickel. And then the question is, what's the risk? What's the risk that this won't be developed? Or put it another way, what are the chances that this mine will get built? And the market is saying, you've got zero chance. But that's not true, because Mitsubishi has invested, and with their resources, the chances are still not 100%, but the chances are now much, much better that this project's going to get built. And so you've got this incredible leverage from our market cap to the value of the project at different nickel prices. And as an investor, that's, to me, I find that sort of thing quite exciting.
Fantastic. So that's it today for the interview. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Well, thank you, Sharon.
Thank you.
Ciao.